Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Be Real from Be Real 420. This is my channel where we're going to discuss anything and everything that's 420 related. In fact, what I have right here in front of me is definitely 420, or could I say 710 related? Maybe so. Well, first off, I just want to give a shout out to Jerry Juice. I recently entered one of his giveaways and I ended up winning. So I just want to give a shout out to Jerry Juice. He's inspired me along with other influencers and people that have been reviewing on the YouTube channels for the last few years. I've been watching him for the last couple years, and he's really educated me and helped me get started on my THCA journey. So I wanted to give a shout out to Jerry Juice. And if you haven't been watching his channel, make sure you go watch him and subscribe. But I wanted to show you guys what I won, and if you've been following on his Discord and on his channel, then you would already know what I won. And guys, this is the Yocan Black Phaser 2 Max. And man, let's go in for a close-up, guys. Wow, check this out, man. So this right here is going to be for concentrate. So this is going to be an e-rig, guys. So if you have a Puffco, this is similar to a Puffco, or maybe you have a Carta, this is going to be similar to a Carta. And so right here, you're going to see, guys, it's got this big giant max chamber. And from what the description says, it's got a 3D, fully 360 heated chamber. So it's going to heat all the way around the walls and inside the cup. So you're going to get a full smooth hit each and every time that you load that chamber, guys. And you're going to be able to put some water in there to cool it off. And according to this, you know, it's got a real nice grip handle. And look at it, even lights up on the handle. That's pretty neat. I know that my bong does not do that. It lights up on the glass instead. So that's pretty cool. So it goes over some of the features, guys. So it's got the really cool chamber. It's got an OLED display, instant heat. You got temperature control. So I believe it goes from 444 Fahrenheit up to 6 something. And you know, what's really also cool about this, it has a 2100 mAh battery. So you're gonna get a lot of dabs off of this. Very lightweight, less than half a pound. So this is really neat, and I really appreciate it. And you know, I don't know if you know this, guys, but I'm not in this for money or for prizes. And I'm one of the only people on YouTube that does reviews that doesn't even have their own coupon code, because I'm not in it for the money and I'm not in it for the reward. The only reward I get is from spreading this message and being a part of the community. I appreciate everybody's support. So what I want to do is I want to spread the love forward. I want to show that support forward to one of you guys, because I've been growing over the last few weeks. In less than a month, I have almost 100 subscribers. So what I want to do is to extend that support right back to you guys. And so we're going to do a 100 subscriber giveaway. And so all you have to do to enter to win this Phaser 2 Max by Yocan is all you have to do is be a subscriber. Okay? You have to leave a comment on this video and tell me why you want this Phaser 2 Max. And then I also want you to go and follow me on my IG. And I'm going to leave that handle as well. So it's literally BREEL 420. So there's no dash on the name, okay? So you got to follow me on IG. You got to be subbed on this channel right here, and you got to leave a comment on why you want to win this Phaser 2 Max, okay? So that's all you got to do. It's pretty simple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to announce the winner, I believe, on Sunday afternoon or evening, and that's going to be Sunday the 6th, I believe. And I'm going to announce it on my live. You do not have to be present on my live to win, but you do have to enter correctly, okay? So make sure you go and do that. I appreciate it. Hope you win this, and good luck to you. Thank you for your support. Now, go sub, like, and comment. Have a great day. Peace out.